everyone, and welcome to another YouTube video by Juren Beauty. Today I'm going to be demonstrating our sonic facial massage roller. These are just new into Juren right now. That's the outside of the box. I'll just show you on the inside. We've got the lovely roller inside, instructions on how to use it, and a little bit more information on the back, which I'll pop below in the link. So these have just come in and we've been working on these for quite a while. We saw a need in the market where people wanted to start really upping their home care regime, and we've introduced two rollers just recently just to help with different skin types, and I'm going to go through today and show you how to use them. So first of all, what you're going to need is the best thing for the roller to move onto the skin is our Juren CoQ10 oil. So I'm just going to pop that on my skin now. So just one or two little pumps, and then we're going to massage that all over the skin, like so. Do it underneath the brow as well, because I'm going to show you how to do that. And right down onto the neck, down here to your supratrochlear, and down the sides, because this is where we're going to help move some lymph. Okay guys, so that's all massaged in now. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the sonic facial massage roller. So to turn it on, you turn it anti-clockwise. Now I've got oil on my hands, there we go. So anti-clockwise to turn it on, and then clockwise to turn it off. You screw it completely anti-clockwise, keep going. It comes out, you change the battery and pop it back in. It comes with a AA battery, so you don't need to worry about that. So the kind of the sound that you can hear there is the vibration going through the machine. So it doesn't turn these knobs, because these turn on their own as we move it on the skin, but there's a light vibration through the facial massage tool. I'll try and see if you can hear it there. And what that does, it's very light, but it helps to move lymph around the skin. So what we're doing is we're massaging, but we're also lightly moving the lymph that lies underneath the skin, which is our main body's detoxification system. So I'm going to go through now the way we want to move the lymph through the skin to get the best drainage. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on, and we're always going to start on the forehead first. So I like to go upward motion first, so you can really start all the way from the nose and go all the way up, and we like to do that 5 times. Probably going to lose count. And then we like to go off to the side. All right, so what we're doing now is we're just lightly rolling the massage roller up and going backwards and forwards. Now I might not go through the whole amount, but general rule is that you do it 5 times each. Now once we've gone in an upward motion first, then we're going to go off to the side. Okay, so we're going to start on the hairline and go across. So we're going to do that 5 times. Don't worry about this section kind of in the middle here that we're missing, because we're going to get that in the next stage. And then over to the other side. So as we're doing this, not only is it pushing the product deeper into the skin to get all the benefits of our CoQ10 oil, but it's also helping to glide across the skin. So you're giving your skin a little massage each time. So really concentrate on getting right there on that kind of frown line area, because we are also toning the muscles to help with fine lines. Okay guys, so we've done that. So the next step now is we're actually going to go underneath this brow section, and as we go underneath the brow, you're going to get that middle section of the forehead that we missed. So this is a nice upward lifting motion for the brow, and it's giving this muscle of our brow a good workout. Okay, so we're going to do that 5 times. Sorry if I am doing it more or less, but mainly just wanting you to see the actual process. Okay, and then the next section we're going to go to now is we're going to just miss under the eye to start with, and we're just going to go straight over to the lip, because this is a section that we want to drain to this area, and then we're going to drain here later. So what I like to do with the lips is I like to just go backwards and forwards. One, it gives a nice plumping of the lips. We're moving lymph and massaging those muscles around the lip area to help with fine lines. So that one's just a backwards and forwards motion. Great. Then we're going to go back up to the eye. So because it's such a light vibration, it feels lovely underneath the eye. And because of the V design of the two roller heads, it fits perfectly there on your cheekbone, one either side. And we're just going to do that lightly up to the temple. So we're draining to our lymph node here at the side of the eye. Great, so we've done that about 5 times. Then we're going to go down to the next section. So we're going to go from the side of the lip here. And it kind of grabs up underneath here your jawline, okay? And again, we're draining that up to our lymph node to the side of our face. So this jaw one is lovely because not only are we moving the lymph, but we're also toning that muscle underneath. Okay, so I'm going to do the other side now. So under that eye, it fits just perfectly either side of that cheekbone. Okay, and then side of the corner of the mouth, and we're pushing that lymph up and toning the skin. Okay, now next section we're going to do is we're going to do actually this chin area here, and we're going to go down with this section. So I like to do it in like 3, one at the side, one at the middle, and one at the side again. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to focus on the neck area. So we're going to go up in this middle section of the neck because we never want to fight with gravity. So we're going to go up in this middle section, and we're going to go down here on the side section, because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be draining all the lymph that we've pushed to the side here down to our supratrochlear. So your supratrochlear here, once the lymph gets here, it leaves the body as waste. And so we're going to just go up the neck. So it's really going to help to tone that neck area. So again, I like to do that in the 3 sections and try to do that 5 times each. Perfect. Okay, so what we're going to do now is, because we want the lymph to go down, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go one more time up and down the jaw, just to make sure that lymph has been drained. That's it. Okay, and so now we're going to drain the lymph. So all our lymph is stored at the side here. We're going to run that all the way down. And it feels lovely because it goes on that muscle there at the side. Gives you a bit of a massage as well. And we're just draining straight down to our supratrochlear there. And do that 5 times as well. And on the other side. Lovely, guys. Okay, so that is our general demonstration there of what you would do with our new sonic facial massage roller. It's really something that you will just kind of blend into your natural skincare regime. I like to do mine at night. I always put my CoQ10 oil on at night, and before I go to bed I go through this. You get really quite quick at it. You don't have to think about it. You can just move it all over the skin, or even sometimes I do it as I'm sitting on the couch and I'm watching a movie, because it feels lovely, so you want to kind of keep doing it. And so you can do that daily and just massage it all over the skin, and it just gives that really nice awakingness to the skin as well. So if your skin's a little bit tired in the morning and you need a little pick-me-up, you can do it in the morning as well. So I hope that's helped, guys. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at www.jurenbeauty.com.au. Many thanks.